How to lose weight with a busy lifestyle? This is part 2 of the new series, Weight Loss for Busy Professionals. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I highly recommend you pause this video and go watch part 1 now. Part 1 lays the solid foundation you need to start building your own nutritional strategy that's going to serve you for your lifetime. So go check out part 1 now. In this video, we're going to apply the information you gathered from your food experiments to help you start the process of losing weight. Watch until the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to use the key to weight loss success you received in the first video. I'm Dr. Ram, physician, bodybuilder, and founder and head coach at Ram Wellness, where we help busy professionals like you upgrade how you feel, look, and perform for life. Hit that subscribe button for more workout tutorials, nutrition tips, and success mindset hacks. But hey, you're here to find out how to lose weight with a busy lifestyle, so let's get started. Long before modern civilization, human beings survived directly off the land. This entailed hunting and gathering fresh food sources. Before food preservation became a thing, foods couldn't be stored for long periods of time. This meant that hunting and gathering was a regular part of everyday life. Because hunting and gathering required energy, it had to be done in an economical way to maintain food supplies before running out of energy. Too much food accumulation meant the food was more likely to go bad. Too much food consumption meant that the food was likely to run out faster. Therefore, food was hunted, gathered, and consumed only as needed. This economical drive sharpened our hunger awareness and thus our ability to know when we truly had to replenish the energy stores in our body. This economical drive was the basis of conscious eating. Today, with refrigeration and food preservation, we're able to stockpile food for months, even years on end. We don't even have to hunt for food. We simply go to a centralized location like a supermarket and sort of gather the food from there. As a result, our instincts have become blunted. We don't always eat in response to true hunger cues that tell us to replenish our energy supply and stores in our body. We eat for a multitude of reasons like low mood, anxiety, socializing, and leisure. We no longer respond to satiety cues to tell us that we have adequately replenished our energy stores. We eat until we are full because that fullness brings a certain level of calm and satisfaction to our system. When our bellies are full, everything seems well and possible. When our bellies are empty, everything seems miserable and impossible. Remember, there is no morality, good or bad, when it comes to nutrition. Going out and eating with friends and family and enjoying food isn't the problem. Problems arise when we eat compulsively instead of consciously, when we eat and continue to eat past hunger and satiety. So how do we sharpen our instincts to eat only when we're hungry and only until we're satisfied? How do we eat consciously? We can use 3 cues to begin the practice of conscious eating. Number 1, hunger cues. Why do you want to eat? What relief are you looking for? Are you looking for relief from actual hunger pangs? Relief from low blood sugar? Relief from low energy? Or are you looking for relief from low mood or anxiety? When you start to think about food, first ask yourself why you want to eat. The more you practice this, the more in tune you'll become with your hunger signals. Once you become aware of a hunger signal, sit with it for 15 minutes and see if it's truly a hunger cue or something else, like an emotional stress signal. If you're still hungry or even hungrier after 15 minutes, then have something to eat according to your 5 C's. Number 2, satiety cues. Why are you still eating? Are you still hungry? Are you satisfied? Are you stuffed? When the food you eat leaves the stomach and starts to enter the small intestine, various hormones are released into your bloodstream to provide signals to improve digestion so that nutrients can be properly absorbed and to tell you that you're full so you stop eating. This fullness signal takes about 20 to 30 minutes to take effect. Satiety can be a reliable way to prevent overeating if you're paying attention. Time permitting, take at least 20 minutes to eat your food. Chew your food up properly and enjoy every flavor and texture in your mouth. Put your eating utensils down while you're chewing. Just focus on enjoying your food and nothing else. No cell phones, no TV, no distractions. Just give your food your full attention and appreciation. When you just start to get the first hint of fullness, stop eating. Just see how you feel afterwards compared to when you eat until you're full or stuffed. And number 3, energy cues. Are you feeling energized or lethargic? How long is this energized or lethargic state lasting? Overeating often leads to a state of lethargy as your body receives various signals from the food to rest and digest. Sometimes this lethargy becomes so powerful that you can't help but take a nap or you doze off accidentally. Repeat this 2 to 3 times per day and your energy levels and productivity will be sapped and suboptimal. You may have noticed that in addition to the amount of food that you eat, the types of foods you eat make a difference on your energy levels. This is something you may have uncovered when exploring your 5 seeds. This will vary from person to person, but generally speaking, foods higher in protein and fiber will leave you feeling the most energized, whereas foods higher in refined carbohydrates and high in fats will leave you feeling lethargic. Try experimenting with varying amounts of each macronutrient to see which kinds of foods leave you feeling energized. Try high protein meals, high carb meals, high fat meals, high protein and high fat meals, high protein and high carb meals, and moderate protein, carb, and fat meals. You can even try skipping a meal. This is all individualized. Experimenting with what you eat and how you eat through the 5 seeds is an investment in yourself and your well-being that will serve you for the rest of your life. So now you have 2 tools that will help you build a rock-solid foundation for your nutrition for the rest of your life. You have the 5 seeds of nutrition to help you choose the right foods for your body, as well as 3 cues for conscious eating to help you eat just what your body needs. Nothing more, nothing less. So how do you use the key to weight loss success you learned in the first video? By applying the 5 seeds of nutrition and the 3 cues for conscious eating, you will sharpen your ability to make food work for your body instead of against it. Finding foods that invigorate your body and paying attention to what your body needs will create a sustainable platform you will use for the rest of your life. You may not be able to use a diet plan or track everything you're eating forever, but these tools that I've shared with you will serve you for the rest of your life and you'll take them wherever you go. They can be applied to preparing meals at home, eating out, desserts, drinks, and anything you put into your body. Sustainability will always be king because it's all about your body. What is sustainable for you may not be sustainable for someone else. You have to figure this out with an open mind and through experimentation. You will create a new normal for yourself when it comes to food. A new normal that's empowering. After all, isn't that what we want? To feel and be in control of our health and our lives? Remember, if you're looking for a short-term, quick fix for weight loss, all you have to do is eat as little as you need to survive and exercise as much as possible. There's no real intelligence to this approach, but I suspect that you're here because other approaches you've tried haven't lasted and you're looking for a long-term solution. If that's the case, then practicing the 5 seeds of nutrition and the 3 cues for conscious eating will finally help you find a sustainable way of eating for your body, not just to lose weight, but to keep it off for life. Weight loss simply becomes a matter of eating slightly less amounts of the foods you know serve your body well according to the 5 seeds. How much less? That's exactly what we'll be covering in part 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of the Weight Loss for Busy Professional series. This week, we introduced another tool called the 3 cues for conscious eating to help you pay attention to what your body needs. Look out for part 3 of the series as we take weight loss success to the next level. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this. Remember always, aim for exceptional. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.